Mokko from Ras Kitchen, and he would like to say something to you on behalf of Ras Kitchen. So you can go ahead now, Mr. Mokko.
I don't any more video with Matthew, you know. I drive to me now. I'm a big thief, big time scammer, you know. You think if that man, well, like, he go take away hard and go for money, you know. Good. And then he come prepare a private one. That man I give me too much trouble. That man a thief. I go for my phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you can look out, the people them can look out for a new channel with Mokko. He's in the process of creating a new channel right now. So Mokko and his visitors are right here. Yeah, and this is what Mokko has to say about Ras Kitchen. So Ras Kitchen is no more Mokko channel. It's Matthew's channel, right?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
And take it to himself, you know, say I feel, you know.
And him never give nothing for that channel.
Then, after the person, I enjoy himself, you know, and it's good to your heart. I say, how can I make channel? How can I make channel? I mean, I get 50%. Yo, if you want 50%, you have to pay me back all that. If you want 50%, you have to pay me back to the picture then where you put up. So I'm going to picture them you put up to me get something.
Yeah.
And then I feel me thing. So,
but you have t-shirt out, you have cup
out, everything, you know.
You have
merchandise, you know.
Yeah.
And I ain't prepare me. I don't make prepare you. But you want mad too much.
But you can make the people them know so you still have your business around like your
so they will I may take it back soon. The next time will come again, you know?
Yeah.
Rasta Mokko, you know?
Yeah. So the channel are gonna be named Rasta Mokko. The next one, not Ras Kitchen.
No, the next one I gonna name Rasta Mokko. Flames of Fire.
Okay.
Good.
So guys, look out for Rasta Mokko, Flames of Fire. Yeah. So years ago I wrote a question on Ras Kitchen. That question was met with if you want to know, call Mokko. And that answer came from Matthew, who has now turned out to be the only owner of Ras Kitchen. There are people out here who created videos on this Ras Kitchen saga time and time ago and time again as well, shining light on the situation, because I knew for sure that it is not what it all seemed. I spoke about this. I have reeled with myself about this. I've fought with my spirit about this because I saw it coming. I knew what was happening. I asked a question. I was rudely met with a response that I thought that if you were about clarity and you were about transparency as a viewer, you would answer the question.
Hey, it's Matthew here. Just wanted to provide an update for all Ras Kitchen fans. There's some changes happening on the channel, and it's not a video that I really wanted to make, but I feel like I wanted to clear some things up, especially. So normally with online comments or haters or that kind of thing, I take the David Goggins approach, which is I don't give it any attention, I don't engage. I either just ignore it, or if I happen to see something, you can delete a comment or block or whatever. It is not something that I focus on at all. However, in this case, the rumors that I'm hearing being spread are actually from the very person that I've been working on this channel with for many, many years. So I wanted to clarify and let everyone know what's going on. So while I was in Jamaica the last couple of weeks, I heard from a lot of different people that Mokko has been saying some very damaging things about me directly to them as guests, and hearing from other people as well. And not to mention, there's been multiple videos that he's put online saying things about me that are not correct and not true. So to start off, Mokko does not deal with his own finances. He needs assistance with this. It's generally his daughter Shauna that takes care of it for him. And I'm in regular contact with her because every month when I send a direct bank transfer, I'm clear with her to show her the amount, the time, when to go and check the bank to expect it, and she's basically handling all that kind of thing. There's also a couple close friends of the family that do assist while they're in Jamaica, and both of them are aware as well. So anything that I've heard where I am not providing anything for Mokko or for the family, this is not correct. And everything is recorded. There's a transaction record when you do a bank transfer. So that is the real story there. So Mokko has stated that he's no longer doing any video content with me. So that's the reality of the situation right now. It's unfortunate because there's a ton of stuff that I've already shot that's never going to be seen. And obviously I'm going to be taking down the store as well. I'm not going to be selling any merch. And I'm certainly not comfortable working with someone, building them up at the same time that they're spreading rumors about me with things that aren't correct. So that's just the reality of the situation right now. I did just get back from Jamaica and had an awesome time. Hung out with a lot of old friends that I've made content with before and got some great stuff, and as well as shot all kinds of new kind of collaborations with you and up and coming YouTubers there. So I'm pretty excited about the future of the channel. It does feel like a real shame and a waste of opportunity. You know, this thing has been building since 2010, and it took a lot of blood, sweat, tears, energy, money to get to this point. I don't think people really realize how difficult it is to actually get it to this level. And even being at this level, this is just the beginning. There's so many more opportunities that are now just exploded and are going to be missed out on basically because of nothing. So it's a real shame and a loss, but I really feel like it's my calling in life to share good vibes with my video content, and I'm just going to continue to do that, just working with other people, different people, and working on my other channel as well. So to everyone that has supported in the channel in the past, I really do appreciate you. I hope you do still continue to watch, and I'm just going to keep on doing my thing, same as always. Bless up.
Matthew just released a video on behalf of Ras Kitchen, and I'm here live with Ras Kitchen, Rasta Mokko right now, doing a small interview. So Mokko is here to clear the air on behalf of what took place. Can go ahead, Mr. Mokko.
Oh, yeah. Matthew give me money. I give me my daughter money. So there's no problem. He's there, you know? And, you know, no problem is there. Ain't good, it's cool. When the time we are going to make the video and it's coming, come make video. And pay us, you know? But sometimes, I some misunderstanding. Sorry about that. You know? Big him up. Every time. Matthew that. And Mokko that. Mokko done that.
So how much years now you and Matthew work together?
Eh?
How much years?
10.
10 years.
10.
And you never have a problem with...
No, nobody have no problem with them one another. You know, some misunderstanding come up, you know?
Yeah.
But we're ready and live again on the next some video.
And
you know?
we're ready for...
We're ready for the road.
For the road again.
Yeah, man.
So, guys, this is what Mokko have to say right now on behalf of what Matthew put out. If he wishes to elaborate on anything else, he wishes to say anything else on behalf of our team, or we used to work things together.
Good working team, man. Good working team, you know?
Tell them about your dream last night and think. Because you know your people in love. You know your people in love you.
What? I dream big million last night, man. Big million, I dream last night. And the million, the green, so we go. I'm not telling you no. The million, so we go green. Anything not green, you know, supposed to be. Yeah, man. I'm not so good at young man. I can give you money, you know. Yeah, I can give you money. And my daughter get money from him all the time. I'm going to look again. I'm going to look on that day. You know?
That's right, that's right.
Hi, God, you're welcome back home. Come back here, come to the video then. You go to yourself, depending where you're there.
So we call Matt?
We call him God, man. God, you know?
Yeah.
And you go in there, you know, come and do nothing. But they are wait for him. Anytime, day or night. No more fuck with, you know? Yeah, man. We're ready to make video again, man. We are get money, man. We get to little money, man. Can't help, you know? Could be worse. We get money, man.
And the thing when me really my input, I think you and Matthew been coming from afar because
Yes,
10 years is a decade, right? So for you and Matthew, nobody can go in between. Matthew is like a family.
Yeah. But may I tell you, that's why sometimes me not buy people with me and him, you know them way there?
Yeah.
First, we start, we are try everything, you know. And we start to eat young bamboo people like Chinese, so we are start to eat young bamboo, and people say we are mad somebody, you know.
So true, so
yeah,
true.
that's the first video, you
Yeah,
know.
that I remember that video.
Good, and say we are mad somebody, you know. That was the first video, then we are go out, you know. And people not take it as nothing and way. And they like we are fool. And we successful. But no one can know the next girl when they call about this. No, me not into my God blue one.
Cause you know wishes for getting up more body.
Love
No.
the thing away from your man to where I do it, and if like for him, the girl, they know about the girl, and then come here, and like come know about you, and no make no be down no gone anywhere like the same girl. But he come from town, he driving car, come and go to. You see him, man. You see him, Jessica Cargill, you see him enough time. You see him catch fish, you see him do all kind of shit.
Oh.
Spear shooting in there everywhere. Got good YouTube too. Never come and fuck me up neither. And he work good too. So all that bush food outside everywhere. It never done. It never stop. It always have to go on.
And you so about Ratty? Ratty asks Matthew and stuff like that?
Yeah, man, every year. Ratty ask about Matthew.
And Miss Dorothy?
Everybody ask. I can. Everybody ask. Up to not too long ago, we not call Matthew.
Same the answer?
No, we're not getting. We're not getting.
But what if is it that Matthew decide that him no want to come back now and you have to restart afresh? Would you willing and starting from scratch or start with another vlogger, or is just Matthew that you decide and working with?
About me, I decide and work with.
So you're calling up back on Matthew for the misunderstanding?
Yeah. But I hear me I work with. Me I work with a next YouTube blogger, a next YouTube person.
But you need to let the people know that
Yeah.
I did not force you to put out this video. You decide because we are community members.
Yeah. But me I tell you where I go on.
And this is live update like today.
Yeah. So me I work with the next man. Away from him. Something much wrong. And somebody die or something. But
And Matthew did have him special apartment down at the house too. When he come, that's where him base.
Yeah, I've been room there.
Because you have to show Matthew say
And then in I've been room there, see
everything is.
I've been room there when he come there, you know. You go in, huh? Yeah. We're ready for do it now.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So, guys, you're definitely from Mokko, from Ras Kitchen himself. So, this is Mokko that is speaking. And today, the 19th of June 2023, Mokko speak for himself. And Mokko was the person who put out the first video, and now they have a misunderstanding and him decided that they want to move on from here. So anywhere you want to talk your boss name or whatever, see even little ratty they down there, so coming up and things like that, surely miss Matt, and they decided that they would like for, and you would like for Matthew to see this video, right Mokko?
Yeah, man, I can't put it out, man.
Okay, so see, the man himself give me the permission.
Yeah, man. I know nothing bad. I know nothing like it. I know nothing we are saying. They want tour. Let me tell you, say, the tour never we are going to do. One night time, I went man to come here now. We are going to do tour, you can make video. Yeah. I got you to
That a fountain?
You never, down 10 times. You don't know that, no?
No, me never go there before.
Yeah. hot water there, man. You can go in there and light it and fire come around.
Hmm?
So me and my tune I go. Go make some mad video. Then play with the guy. And we are going to make video. So, yeah.
Sentence?
Sentence. Yeah, man. I don't know where you know, but I know.
You could have get the directions.
Yeah, man. At first, I never know about it. After I call me, tell me about it. Say, oh, Mokko, it's a nice place for you go. Never go there. But all the girls when come here, we have do video like you too. From Portland. And go there too. I never been there. I'm back up in a Blue Mountain there. All certain places in a Blue Mountain, there are them places there we go. And then corner there.
Ratty can say something for you people.
Ratty, look at. And after you bite me, I get, all for my skin coming up beard yet. I have to go beard.
Okay, alright. Nice talking to you, Mr.
Yes,
Mokko.
man.
From Ras Kitchen. Right.
Blessing.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get an understanding of what Mokko is trying to say on behalf of what took place with him and Matt.